Welcome to Atlantis The Palm in Dubai, one of the most iconic resorts in the world. Today, I will take you inside and show you everything that is included when you book a room here, because your stay includes so much more than just a hotel room. Are you ready? Let's go!
Look at the bath, guys!
Hello guys, welcome to the Atlantis. We're gonna show you the room today, and something interesting that they just told us is that the water is for free and the coffee is for free. But if you take one package from here or something from the minibar, okay, you see, if you take something from here for more than 60 seconds, it will be charged automatically. You enter here on the right, we have our YouTuber here, Instagram.
YouTube.
So here's the shower, the toilet, an amazing and super big and beautiful bathroom. We have a small little girl right here trying to take a bath. Wow, this bath is nice. So there is the reception. So from there we entered and we came to the right side. And this is the Atlantis with the ocean view. It's so beautiful. Right, baby?
Oh, finally we are here.
Finally, yes.
It's beautiful. Look at that.
Atlantis The Palm has one of the best kids clubs in the world. If you are coming with children, you and especially them will love this. It's a full adventure with games, arts and activities. They have one free entrance per day of 3 hours, so parents can relax and explore more of this amazing hotel. You can also ask for a free tour during break times to see the installations, and believe me, kids will love it. So you. Let's go to the aqua park. Have a free ride.
Oh, wow.
Hey. Here is one of the best parts. Your room includes free entry to Aquaventure Waterpark, the biggest water park in the world, where you can relax in lazy river.
Let's do this, guys!
Easy going water slide like this one.
Whoa! Oh shit! Oh, that's so good! Oh, that's so
Or some crazy and scary like this one. And you can go as many times as you want during your stay. You also have free access to the Lost Chambers Aquarium. It has over 65,000 sea animals, sharks, stingrays, colorful fish. Walking inside feels like another world. It's so calm and beautiful. This aquarium is not only about looking at fish, it's about exploring. The whole place is designed like the lost city of Atlantis, with underwater tunnels, hidden chambers, and glowing tanks all around you. It really feels like an adventure. So relax and enjoy with us.
Hi guys.
These are like snakes, no?
They're so big. Look at that.
Zebra shark?
Look at that one. She's just there.
This is the one that scared Amelia.
Yeah, she's just there.
Welcome to Atlantis.
One, two, go! Hey guys, how do you like it? Yes, love it? It is, it is. Hello familia!
Hello, familia.
We are in the Atlantis The Palm and it's so fun, so many things to do, no? The kids club, amazing, pool, super big, aqua park and aquarium. Many things to do in here. Huh?
Yeah.
It is fun, kids? This place is just amazing for family and kids. Kids love it. And tomorrow they have a session in the kids club. I am sure that they're gonna have a lot of fun. And this is, you are thinking to come to Dubai, you have to visit Atlantis The Palm. This is the Wavehouse, one of the most fun places in Atlantis. With hundreds of arcades, it makes this gaming zone unique. You can even play bowling in there. How cool is that? This place is great for kids, teens and adults too. At night, the music turns up, the lights come on, and it becomes a really cool hangout spot with live entertainment. You can eat, play, and chill here for hours. The Wavehouse is the place where you want to finish your day, so make sure you go there. And familia, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you are not just booking a hotel room, you are booking a whole experience where you get luxury rooms with amazing views, free access to the world's biggest water park, entry to the Lost Chambers Aquarium, you can enjoy incredible food from all kinds of restaurants, make shopping in a gallery with the most exclusive brands, relax on private beaches and pools, you can visit Atlantis the Royal as well, and even let your kids have fun in one of the best kids clubs in the world. We are sure you will never run out of things to do. Once you are here, you will see why people call it one of the most amazing resorts in the world. If there is anything you would like to know about it, just leave us a comment and we will answer you ASAP.
Hey guys! Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe!